Hey everybody, so I think this is going to be the last episode in this web series of the web speech analyzer. The code will be pushing the final push here shortly. I guess that'll be video 14. Yeah, video 14. It's at github.com, Marty the Party / web speech analyzer. I'm going to continue after this on a new in this same subject matter, but on a new in a new series called, and it's basically I'm going to take this and move it into Angular 18, and I'll also put that at a repo. And then after that, the plan is to kind of make a fun little app that lets you just kind of say hello in a bunch of different languages, and just it'll probably have a little example of how to say hello in whatever language, and then like let you try to say it and give you a grade, give you the confidence. So, and then after that, I want to try to do another one that is kind of a calculator that is just sort of always listening, as opposed to the hello one is going to like start, fire up, listen, and shut down. The calculator will just always be listening until you shut it down. So there was not a whole lot of code left or features. Basically, last time I had it printing out all the logs, the time as the event callbacks got fired, and that worked pretty good. And then today I just added the final text. So I'll just try it out. Hello. So as you see, it turned itself off because I didn't have these two checkboxes checked, and basically it says, hey, yeah, I think you said hello. I'm pretty sure I'm 85.855 plus percent, and this is the final. If I do the same thing with these, then I can say like, hello, how are you? Are you having a good day? And then stop. And then here we go. These are the results we get. Um, yeah, I thought, it's funny. I thought I said and then stop before I hit, but I guess not. I guess I've got my timing down pretty good. Um, Now, what is weird? Oh, that is interesting. So it gave three results uh, within a second of each other, and just over a second, just under a second, and it marked all three of them as final. They were actually all final. It had the full thing one time, but basically as I spoke, it kept doing that. So let's like for the so this would be like great for the calculator, right? So like if I say, for the say hello, like I could just be like, I don't know what'll happen, but or I could go, yeah, I could set it to French and then just like bonjour, and it says I thinks I said bonjour, and it's 92. That's pretty sad, actually, that I got a better confidence in French than I did in English, because I thought I had an 87.5 in English. So that's pretty hilarious. So that's kind of how that would work. And then, like, maybe, yeah, we'll do some cool stuff on that. And then for this guy, US, and then if I turn these on, I'll kind of get a calculator, and I'll just be like 1 plus 2 minus 5 times 3. And then maybe I'll have like a running calculator running the whole time. And then, so at this point, when I saw this 1, I would print a 1 on the screen. And then when I saw a plus, maybe I'll print a plus on the screen. And then 2, I'll have 1 plus 2 and maybe a total of 3. And then 1 plus 2 happened a bunch of times. I do not know why I didn't get my minus 5. Um, that is disturbing, to say the least. I never even got, this is weird, because I didn't get my final either. if you guys remember before, I got a final, I got all kinds of good stuff. I'm going to try it again. 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. Okay, that is weird. So it just, oh, I wonder, is it getting cut off? Let me look at the console. No, I never got anything beyond 1 plus 2. I never got the minus 5 or anything, and it just kept saying final. Let me clear this one and try it again. 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, so I got them all here. Oh, and I got them all there. So I don't really understand what is happening with that. Because, okay, so that time it worked, but before it did not. Let me clear this again. And 1 plus 2 minus 5 times 4. Wow, that is so weird. So I don't know. That is really, quite frustrating that, let's see. So this was our final result here. And these are our results. And see, that's times 4. I wonder. Well, okay, so that is 1 plus 2 minus 5 times 4. Okay, actually, maybe I'm not done. It looks like there is another twist. It looks like when we get that, well, yeah, I don't really understand. It looks like what happens is we get we get multiple results back sometimes. So over here, we got 3 results. Let's go back to one of the early ones. Yeah, see here we only got 1 result, and that was 1. And then let's go to this one. Results. And we only got 1 result, and it was 1 plus 2. And then, let's see. Oh, see, now we got 2 sets of results back, and this is going to be the minus. And then I'm guessing we get 2 results back again. Minus 5. And then, oh Lord. All right, guys, this is a pain in the butt. 5 minus. So let's go to the very last one now. That was this guy. Times 4. Minus 5 times 4. Okay, that is a twist. And so, yeah. So, okay, I need to account for that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in this array here, I guess, right here, I'll have like somehow where it's when there's more than one. I don't know. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to handle that when I'm creating the result. So let's see, this is part of all results. Let's go up here. All results, see where this guy comes from. Okay, I'm going to have to pause that. Control F. So here's where we clear it, and then this is where we add it. And then we take start. Okay, that's for the start button. Okay, that one's not. This right here. We push it, and we just grab the first transcript and the first confidence. But it looks like we need to actually check and probably just smush them all together. I'll probably smush these two together, append these to each other, and then put commas in between these for the last confidence when there's more than one. And then that'll be good because then we could tell if there's a comma here, if we'll be able to tell if they have been kind of merged together. That is, it's good. I'm glad I learned it here. I mean, that's kind of the whole point of this thing. Maybe probably should add like one more attribute to, like is final and then multi or something like that, or maybe result count, and that will be like the arg.results dot length would be the result count, and then that. So I guess I do have one more video to do. That's coding's funny like that. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.